And my name is Aditya.
Today we are going to do another experiment on balance and paper.
Okay, basically strength of a paper. So if you've seen the last video, I hope you have, you'll know that a paper column has much more strength than a regular paper, and therefore it can hold some weight because of its strength.
Now let's test out with this ordinary piece of paper roll.
But that's what we did in the previous video.
Yeah,
basically we just use ordinary paper, not something which will help it balance or something. So let's see if this hold this.
As you can see, it fell very easily. Why did it? Now let's try another time.
Yeah, come on, it will fall again.
Yeah.
See, you satisfied?
Oh yeah, we had to do it 2 to 3 times. Remember?
I know. You're making me look bad. So anyway, why did this single paper column fall? The answer is simple. Its base is extremely narrow and it is fairly thin. Because of that, it did not have much strength and its
didn't
base
have
was
much
narrow.
support.
Yeah, its base was narrow, so it did not have
enough balance.
Enough balance. So whenever I put a book, it just falls. So we can enjoy watching this paper column fall, or we can hammer it away. Come on, do it. Ow. So
now let's try with this paper, which is in which is made of 3 cylinders shaped in a triangle. So now let's put the first book. Can it balance it? Yes. Let's try again.
So see, Advay, you're putting a bit too much force. See, maybe plus it might happen that this cone might not have enough balance, but the other one might have balance. So if this falls again, we are going to try the other side. And so we'll try the other side.
It doesn't have much force.
Yeah, it's sticking with the tape. So now we have to make sure we don't put books with that much. So yeah, we need to be careful. Do not put that much force. I'm telling you. So now, let me speak something. Stop. Let me speak.
Oh, speak. You continue.
So, as you can see, even it took a couple of tries. I know it's not a fault. This managed to hold some books. Why is that? Because its base was narrow, while this one's base.
But it fell on 4 books. Let's try again. Did you know that the highest record of a single triangular base was 11 books?
For us only, we don't know.
But in the previous video when we did the table-like structure, it managed to hold 10 books. Then how did this manage to hold 11 books rather than 10 books?
Yeah, that is amazing. But where was it? So why could this not hold any books? So just stop cutting my please. And why did this hold some books? Because see, its base is extremely narrow, while its base is quite broad.
Yeah, you continue.
I have to explain that to show them. So plus this is not as thick as this. Because of that, it has the strength and the balance to be able to hold some books.
Yeah, now let's try it once again, and then we are going to just end the video. Okay. So now let's try. Okay. Oh, that book. Let's use that book.
Oh yeah. Absolutely. Now just let me keep up. And please, wait. Don't hold it now.
Yeah.
Then we won't know if it can hold a book or not. Yes, it can hold 2. Now please. You're putting too much force. See, otherwise the problem is balance. If I put this book, it will most probably collapse. It's a bad thing. Put balance off for us. Be careful with what they do. Hey, the phantom ghost after this hotel is haunted. 2 scary books after one.
Yeah. Oh, it holds 5. Held 5, let's see. 6.
It managed to hold 5.
6. 7.
So wow, our paper pillar is doing some amazing stuff here. Our paper pillar is doing a lot of amazing stuff on the show called Paper's Got Talent.
10.
There we test the talent of
11.
books. So yes, we have surpassed the world record of paper holding for this
12.
place only. So yeah, you
13.
go on and I'll do the commenting. Oh, the band is going off. Can you hold on?
14.
And he holds on, but the band is really off. Can you do it? Can you do it?
15.
Come on, you got this.
16.
Oh, now this is getting intense.
17. 18. Oh my goodness. 19.
Please keep it careful.
20.
It hit 20! It hit 20! Oh no, there's a 21st one.
It is
It hit 21! It did it!
Oh, we need more books now. I'll just get those.
No.
No. So this, we got more books and it took us 1 to 2 minutes to get the books and it is still holding one at a time.
So, this paper is incredible.
4.
So, I shall...
8.
This is fine,
Yeah.
I'll just be normal. It's 21, we know. So, I just continue commentating. And the balance is becoming an issue, but it's still holding together. Can a contestant survive? Yeah!
Oh!
Why?
21 books.
It's all your fault. You stood, it's mine's too. But it doesn't know it didn't buckle. After holding like 22 was it, right?
22.
So after holding 22 books, it did not even buckle then. I cannot hold 21 books, but this paper pillar can hold 25 books. I am embarrassed.
I think I can.
I know you can. I think I can. But
Let's try.
it will be hard for us, na? But
Yes.
this paper pillar can do it. No sweat because it doesn't have sweat. See?
Oh, let's try one more time. But I'll use it my hand. Okay, one hand only.
No, he just can't hold anything. His balance is off. Contestant DG's balance is off. And see, he can have two books. Yeah, enough for his tall claim. So, paper pillars
Paper
are
is one
remarkable.
so good and I think ashamed.
So, paper pillars are remarkable. So, now you know that cylinder is the strongest shape and that paper cylinders are truly remarkable.
So this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on the red button with the subscribe button on it. Until the next video.
Bye!